everyone. I haven't used my rollers in a long time. I still got this one wrong, I know it, but I bleached my hair yesterday, really mostly just the roots, but I was also trying to get the blue out, and I did a deep condition, but I forgot to comb out my hair. Everything takes a lot out of me now, and then now that it's hot and humid, I just feel like I can't catch my breath sometimes. I noticed the same thing happened to me last summer. It's been in the hundreds. So my hair is just really really frizzy, even though I did a deep conditioner. It's anyway. So I have rollers. Hopefully it doesn't come out bad. So anyway, I decided to do Barbie. So I decided I was gonna go with this light pink color right here, and I was just trying to finish up a white. It's really supposed to be used for highlighting. It's a cream. I've been using it as the base color. So I could have used pink, but I just want to finish up my white, so wanted to do something a little. I know last time I did Barbie pink, like a really bright pink. I just want to do something a little softer today. This is the BYS Barbie. Their second Barbie collection is more colorful. I think I'm gonna go with this softer brown right here. My nail is breaking again to the middle down. You could see it just broke all the way down here. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. I've been putting a ton of nail glue. I know this is very similar to my Hawaii look, but I'm using softer colors. Wow, that's really soft. Then I'm going to go in with this pink right here. It's like a pretty mauvey pink. And I'm going to use that as the highlighter. I think I'm going to dip it in the darker brown. I'm going to go with this brown right here just to deepen that, because can't really see that. I'm just going to put it in the corner and then go back into the lighter brown and really soften that. I love this paint, but I know there's hardly anything on there. I don't even think I have enough for my other eye, but let's just put a little bit there on the lid. And I'm going to take their pink liquid shadow and just put it right here in the inner corners. So I am going to finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. Very soft, very simple. I used the Barbie face palette I used this blush, and I used that for my eyes and my nose, contouring and highlighting. And then I just dotted a little bit of pink and put this over it. That's all.